Hi there, welcome back to the Memberships How-To videos. We will now work to create our membership categories. So I just clicked into the Categories tab on the left-hand side here to get to this page, and I will now move over to the right-hand side and click Add Category. Starting on the General tab, we will input our membership category name, page slug, short description, and feature image. The feature image and short description will be visible when shared within your community site or when shared on social media. I've now entered my category name, short description, and feature image. If you need help gathering a feature image, you can always click Ask Bobby here to receive an AI-generated image. Once you are happy with how this looks, you can click Save and Next on the bottom right. On this configuration tab, you can choose if this category is a subcategory, parent category, or you can leave this blank to have it be a standalone category. For the purpose of today's video, this family memberships category will be a standalone, but for example, if you offered yearly memberships and lifetime memberships, you could have a parent category called lifetime memberships and yearly memberships, and then subcategories within each of those that are family memberships and individual. You will also input your membership category description on this tab as well. After you have edited your settings and input your membership category description, you can then click Save and Next on the bottom right. Moving on to the Media tab, you'll notice under where it says Media Position, you have 4 options to choose from. Running through these options quickly, if you decide to choose header and body only, this is essentially saying that you do not want to have an image appearing at the top of your page, so it will just be your page title and description. If you choose media on left, this is best with square images, so it will be your image on the left-hand side of the page and your content on the right-hand side. If you choose media full width at top, this is best with long banner images, so it will be your banner image at the top of the page with your title and description right below it. If you choose custom blocks only, this is for when you would like to build your page completely from scratch and have it completely customized. For the purpose of today's video, I will be using the media full width at top option, and there is more information regarding the media positions in our written guides. I've now edited my settings, so for the banner aspect ratio, I decided to change it to this really wide banner, but you have a few options to choose from. I also edited the banner max height to 50% because I don't want it to take up too much of my page, and I left the image anchor to be in the center of the image. If you would like to upload multiple images to Carousel throughout, you also have that option. And if you would like to see how this will look on your page, you can choose this Show Sizing Behavior button. Once you are happy with this, you can click Save on the bottom right, and we will move over to the Layout tab. This Layout tab will give you a rough idea of how your page will look. However, please note that this is not a true view, as the menu options on the left-hand side here are condensing the page view. If you would like to add additional content, you can select this Add Block to End button. If you would like to add additional content to your page, you can choose from any of these blocks here. We have a number of options ranging from image blocks to text blocks to column blocks and so on, giving you a variety of options. Once you have finished adding content on this page here, you can choose the Visibility tab on the left-hand side. On this Visibility tab, you can choose your page status. So when the page is set to live, that means it is visible. When the page is set to draft, that means you are still editing and it is not visible. When it is set to archived, that is the first step to deleting the page. You can also choose a publish date and a hide date if you would only like this category to be visible for a certain amount of time. Once you are happy with these options, you can click Save on the bottom right. The last step will be to preview this page to see how it looks, and you can do so by clicking the preview button on the left-hand side. Over on the front end, you can see the true view of how your page is looking, and if you are happy with this, you can join me in the next video to create our purchasable membership options.